If you are looking for a low maintenance lifestyle that offers incredible walkability to nearby shops, restaurants, and much more, then the Towns of Wetherington might be for you. All right, hey guys, welcome back. It's Eric Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we were helping you find your home and strengthen your family. I'm back here with Fischer Homes and Sztanyo, who is an all-star on the channel at this point. We've checked out Shaker Run. Mm-hmm. We've done Blossom Hill and Loveland.
We have.
What else have we done?
We've done the condos over in Shaker Run.
The condos in Shaker Run as well. We're back now in Liberty Township talking about townhomes. I'm going to let Christy tell us all about it. Fischer Homes is thrilled to announce an exciting new community coming soon to West Chester, Ohio at the Towns of Wetherington. This captivating community is just a short walk across the street to shopping, dining, and entertainment at Liberty Center. Offering 70 home sites from Fischer Homes' new Midtown collection of homes featuring the Tustin floor plan, a 3-story rear entry design with open concept living, homeowners at this community will enjoy low maintenance living with lawn care and snow removal included. The location is really what helps the Towns of Wetherington stand out. This vibrant community is all about walkability. Towns of Wetherington is conveniently located within walking distance to premier shopping and the entertainment options available at Liberty Center, including Dillard's, Bath & Body Works, Dick's Sporting Goods, and the CMX Cine Bistro. This community will provide homeowners the ease and comfort associated with a traditional home while being just minutes away from the exciting social and recreational options, as well as many area employers, including Christ Hospital and Cincinnati Children's Liberty Campus. Towns of Wetherington will feature the Tustin floor plan, offering 2 to 4 bedrooms and ranging from 2,097 to 2,274 square feet. The Tustin showcases 3 levels of living and a rear entry garage. The lower level features an included finished recreation room. The main level showcases a centralized kitchen with a large pantry, connecting the flexible dining area to the family room with direct access to the outdoor living space. At the Towns of Wetherington, you can discover luxury townhomes starting from the mid-400s. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, walkable community that offers shopping, restaurants, and healthcare nearby, this might be the place for you. Life at Liberty Center offers a vibrant community located in bustling West Chester Township, Ohio. Christy, what's going on? Thanks for having us back.
Thanks for having me back.
You are more than welcome. Obviously, tell us about where we're at and what's going on here.
So we are at Towns of Wetherington. It's right off of Liberty Way across from Liberty Town Center. This is our new Midtown collection in the Tustin floor plan in the Towns of Wetherington. It is a luxury townhome property with a ton of great amenities already included in the base price of the home, but the location is really the key here, with it being so close to Liberty Center, 75 and even 129 to take you out to the Hamilton area. It's a really great location.
So we're on the northwest side of town. We're probably 30 minutes,
like 30 minutes from downtown, yeah.
Right off the interstate on I-71, which moved, 75. Right off of I-75. Lots of new development around here. Mm-hmm. So tell us a little bit about the Liberty Town Center, the features it has to offer.
Yeah, so Liberty Town Center is literally walkable from across the street from Towns of Wetherington, with tons of great shopping and eating locations. So they have great restaurants like Cooper's Hawk over there. They also have Brios. They also have the Cine Bistro, along with some staple department stores like Dillard's and some other shopping over there. Additionally, kind of nearby and in the area and down the way would be like Voice of America Park for outdoor activities, dog parks, and then all the hospitals are pretty much down the street.
Yeah, and having that healthcare so nearby, instead of having to go downtown, you've got it right here in your own backyard. That's which right. Is very, very nice. So tell me a little bit about the people who are looking for a townhome, maybe versus a single family. What does a townhome have to offer that single family or condos don't have to offer?
Sure.
And who do you think this product is maybe specifically designed for?
You know, the Midtown collection, these townhomes, these are 3-story townhomes with 2 car garages that are standard. This is a great floor plan for somebody who is looking for a low maintenance home, but wanting some really great space and also having some pretty high-end features already included in the base price of the home. You know, we've talked in the past on this channel about like our condominiums. Imagine our condominiums, but a step up higher with some of the included pieces that are already in that base price of the home that are there architecturally. Like we're in a home that has 9-foot ceilings throughout. We have great ceramic floors that are already in the owner's suite bathroom. You're not gonna see it here in the bedroom, but down in the other parts of the home, you're gonna see 8-foot doors on the 9-foot ceiling. So you have a little bit more of a grand feel going through the space. And these can be configured between 2 bedrooms up to 4 bedrooms, just depending on what your needs are. So you can certainly set this up as a first-time purchase. If you're just looking for something low maintenance, it's great for people who have busy lifestyles and need quick transit to the city.
So that height, I love that feature, by the way. Really, having that extra foot or 2 really makes a huge difference. But someone who's looking for a low maintenance lifestyle, that could be a young professional, that could be a young family, or that could be someone who's retiring, looking to downsize and doesn't want the care of a large 2,500 plus square foot home.
Correct. But you're not losing that size because the home that we're in is 2,000 square feet actually.
Wow. Which model we're in again?
So we are in the Tustin. The Tustin is about 2,000 square feet with 3 stories. On the ground floor, you're gonna have your 2-car garage and a flex space. As you come up to the main level, you're gonna have your kitchen along with your family room and a dining area or a flex space. That main level can be designed 2 different ways. Our model home has it set up as the way that the home comes included with the island in the middle of the home. So it's kind of that nice centerpiece, especially for entertaining, so that you are in the middle of everything with the dining room on one side and the family room on the other. The other way that this home can be configured is with a larger island with bigger cabinet space, bigger pantry, wet bar options that are gonna be on just one side of the home with the dining / flex space and the family room being on the other side.
Is that the same model, just a different configuration?
It is. It's an alternative floor plan configuration.
Okay, so if you're wanting to spend more time in the kitchen and maybe have a little less space for all the entertaining, that might be the option to go.
That's right. So this is the alternate kitchen layout. So when we went through the model home, you saw the island here in the middle as we came up the stairs. Now we've pushed the entire kitchen to the back of the home. So what's gonna come standard in that configuration is this large island right here in the middle of the home. We have our opening over here for the refrigerator. And then this market home has built-in appliances, cooktop, and then you're gonna have this nice overlook off the back deck here with the sink being right over here, looking out the back windows, and then the pantry space is moved over here. The exciting part about this configuration is this niche right over here, and that has many different configurations. This market has it set up as a wet bar. So there's an additional prep sink over there and tons of extra cabinetry.
All right, hey guys, pause on this video really quick. We'll get to more information about Towns of Wetherington, but I wanted to say really quickly, if this content is helpful for you, if you're thinking about new construction in the Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati area, please reach out to our team or another agent. But I mean, come on, help a boy out here. I got 5 kids. But reach out to us. We would love to help you out. When you're working with new construction, you can go and meet a sales counselor like Christy, someone with Fischer Homes, with Drees, with a custom builder in town, and they'll help you throughout the process. But the builders, like 90% of the builders, are going to work in their price a commission for the buyer's agents because they want agents like me to bring buyers like you to them. It's one of their marketing channels. And for you, it costs you nothing, and you get representation with an agent on your side the entire time. So if you think, hey, I just want to go talk to them first, and oftentimes, just so you know, I'm gonna let you know, they have what's called a threshold meeting. So if you go talk to them first without an agent, they might register you and you might not get to add that agent in where they would pay that commission. Therefore, you won't have that representation throughout your entire new build. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If you are thinking about new construction, reach out to us first, and then we'll connect you to the builder. So we're in a townhome, you're attached to other units. One question I get a lot from buyers who might not want to consider a townhome because they don't want to hear people stomping above them or people to the side of them. Can you tell me about how these buildings are constructed in a way to help with sound?
Absolutely. So, and that is definitely a common concern that we hear from buyers on our side. And I think when you think about townhomes and condominiums, you're thinking about some of these structures that are maybe 20 years older and the sound attenuation in them is not as good as it is today. So in the Tustin here at Towns of Wetherington, for example, you know, we are like this wall right here is attached technically, if you look at it from the outside, to another home. In between the walls is going to be something called a gypsum board. That's actually a fireboard that's gonna go run all the way up through the roof. I know we talked about sound, but that does help with it, but that's also fire safety with a burn time of about 2 hours before it penetrates into the next home. But also there are air gaps in between these homes so that, because you know, sound is vibration can be transferred through walls, so those sound gaps are in place to help mitigate the sound as well. The way that this home is set up is the standard structural setup of the home. So it's gonna come standard with a laundry closet like you see here, but this floor plan has the capability of having 2 owner suites essentially.
Okay.
And when we do that, it takes these 2 secondary bedrooms, turns it into the second owner suite, and then you get a full laundry room when we do that.
I see. So a lot of different options you can do here on the second floor.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Tell us a little bit about where we're at in the process of this building, like what kind of phase we're at, or what has been sold, what hasn't been sold, and availability for people who would be interested in this product.
The model home is finally going to be opening up for the first time this weekend. We're very excited about that. With that said, we have 3 homes already sold in this building, and we still have 3 more for sale. And those are true market homes where the structure's been picked out and the finishes have been picked out by our Lifestyle Design Center. There are many other market homes available in the community, again, where the structure has been picked out and the finishes. We also have options where just the structure has been picked out and the buyer can pick their finishes instead of just going based on what our designers have picked out.
And that's kind of a different thing. You mentioned that's kind of like a hybrid model. So it's already in progress of being built, so they can get into it sooner, but they still get to pick their finishes, which is not something you always get in a market home.
That's right. That's right. And then we still have limited opportunities for true contract to build where you as the buyer would be able to pick out the different structural configurations of the home and the finishes.
So what do these things cost, Christy? What does it cost to get into here? What are the base pricing and where could people expect from the pricing with these townhomes?
Sure. So the base price and contract to build is $479,900, and our market homes are ranging in price anywhere from the $500 mark up to the $540 mark, just depending on what finishes are put in there. Because there are so many great included features already in there in terms of finish, it's kind of hard to go higher based on what I've personally priced out in the past.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
All right, guys, I hope that was helpful for you. If you're thinking of new construction, either condo or townhome, maybe you're not wanting this Liberty Township area, but you want to be more on the east side of Cincinnati, northeast side, be sure to check out our video right here on Blossom Hill. I think it's called Blossom Hill. Be sure to check out our video right here on the condos we did by Fischer Homes in Loveland. There still might be a few left there. If you want that low maintenance lifestyle, but you're not sure you want to be in a townhome, there's a couple other areas around town that we've done videos on. Be sure to check out our video on Rivers Point Estates, as well as Tuscany in the northern Kentucky side. Watch those videos right now. Let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.